CyberDog is a new, ominous-looking robot from Xiaomi, leaning into the RoboCop vibe. Yeah, I like the look of it. I mean, obviously, it's very Spot-inspired, a little bit less yellow. That's just a cool image they created there.
It is, yeah.
With that, like, circle thing going on. I mean, what else can you do? So many categories are like this where you start with the original and then it's like, how else can we do this? We could do it exactly the same way. And that seems to work. And then they're like, or it could fly and have propellers and
something really outrageous.
Tracks. It could be a tank and then they're like, nope, the way that they were doing it was good. So it's a dog and it's a CyberDog in this case.
So they really want to push the fact that it's not an industrial working robot.
Was it a pet?
It's a pet. At least that's what they claim in this article here. It's not really utilized, but it could, I guess.
It's a pet.
Yeah. It's not really utilitarian, but it could be.
The pet thing is kind of cool, but it's also kind of confusing. Because like these things, what are they, 10 grand?
This one...
Oh, never mind.
So it's only 1,000 units.
$1,500. Never mind. Is it smaller than Spot?
It looks smaller.
Yes. Right.
There's no
scale. There's no banana for scale. Okay, so it's a tiny Spot. It's pet-like, and you only got to spend $1,000. I'll take it. That's fine. Yeah. Okay.
Would this be really cool in your property and just having it patrol it?
Oh, it's like a security guard?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
It would be menacing too.
Or even in here.
Yeah.
Bzz, bzz, and you know what? It doesn't bark.
Yeah. It's just trotting along.
Like all these dogs we have in here, they're constantly barking.
Yeah.
And
you gotta feed them.
Before we started shooting the show, I said, you know what? Is today a barky day for Otis? And you said, absolutely not. You said, he's trained now and he'll never do that ever again. And I said, now that you said that, he's definitely going to bark.
Yeah, I need to knock on wood somewhere.
But people want to know on the record, have you just guaranteed that Otis will never bark again?
He's doing well so far. He's sleeping right beside. So
that's a guarantee.
I'll do my best.
So that's a guarantee then? Mm-hmm. People can hold you to that.
Yeah.
We're going to see some comments roll in if they hear any little peep. Any little disturbance.
I'm going to be called an imbecile.
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. CyberDog. Go back up. Let's go. CyberDog can analyze its surroundings in real time, create navigational maps, plot its destination, and avoid obstacles. Coupled with human posture and face recognition tracking, CyberDog is capable of following its owner and darting around obstacles. Obstructions is the word that it says. I just assumed it was going to be obstacles. Yeah, listen. It's like Spot. It's a low-tech budget Spot, and I guess it's smaller by the looks of it. And I just never seen one this cheap. So what happens when these are cheap? Does everybody have them? Do we figure out things to do with them? I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. But at $1,500, it's obviously just far more approachable for the vast majority of people. I don't know what Boston Dynamics thinks about all this. Look at, he's kick flipping.
So this is another company called Unitree, and they make a similar dog.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess one day these things are just, that was pretty sick.
That's pretty cool, eh?
Backflips. One day these things are all over the place, right, Will? Okay.
All right. I can just imagine.
I'm glad we established that.
Yeah.